Hello guys, it's Phantom Dragon. We are with another video of a creation. We have our plane, so we have a passenger, only one passenger. Dude,
Sorry.
stop running into my plane. Dude, stop it. Go somewhere else. And
I'm
show
just
off.
moving it.
Alright, we have a passenger.
Show
so
off.
they can watch. So yo, I'm trying to show my viewers a video. Trying to show my viewers the stupid thing. We have a passenger in this aisle, and then they could watch the thing, and then bro, stop it. And then we have me, the driver.
Yeah, I'm gonna go get something.
Which is can get in, and then I can see this, and then we have a thing where 3 fans.
Guess who's back?
3 vans.
Back again.
Alright. One of you can wait. 2. So then.
You ready, bro?
Just wait. Whoa, yeah, this is way. Oh my god. And we have me with me. Bro, my thing goes too fast. That's the problem here. My thing goes too fast. Alright. Yo, dude, let's try to. Alright, dude, look at my plane. Dude,
Watch this.
Dude, so look. Let's see. Let's try. Yo, revive me.
Sorry. I didn't expect me to kill you. Here, I can't, because my goddamn thing is too big. Here, let me drop it. There. Here, let me show you the best part about my plane, real quick. Oh, bro, you keep launching it, bro. And now it's upside down. Here, watch this, by the way. Guess what I can do?
What can you do?
Oh my god, I keep grabbing the wrong thing. Oh no, well now it's glitching. So the best thing about my plane is that I can bomb people.
Yeah. Oh my gosh. Bro. The part of the plane is that it
I
just
don't even
won't.
think they're activated.
Yeah, they're not activated. The worst part of my plane is
I
that.
forgot to activate them.
The worst part of my plane is that if I try to put anything on a crossbow and try to put it on back on again. Bro!
I'm
Bro!
sorry.
Why'd you do that? Stop it!
You're tripping, bro.
You can't, bro. I'm sorry, bro, but
Jit tripping.
I'm sorry, bro, but I had to do that, bro.
It's not that serious.
I wasn't that serious, bro, but like, bro, stop it.
How many times did bro say bro in that one bro sentence? Bro.
Like, I don't know, a couple times.
And I have a radar.
Yeah, I have some radars too. Wait, I want to add something real quick. Don't do anything to my stupid thing, bro.
Yeah, I'm gonna refill my bomber.
Yeah, the thing about my bomber is that. Oh my goodness.
I'm gonna refill my
I
bomber.
hate this lance. Alright. Thing about my bomber
I'm
is
gonna
that.
refill it with goddamn nukes.
Come here, brother. Alright. Oh shoot, wait.
Can you not?
That's the annoying part that.
Bro, you keep hitting me.
I'm sorry, bro. I can't even control my. Sorry, alright?
Alright, there we are. Now I gotta connect
Wait,
this
let me-
to the bottom.
Let me just add a quickly. Add.
I think I broke it. I might have broken this. Yeah, I might have broken the goop on accident. I'm gonna have to get a
Oh
new
yeah,
piece.
we're gonna now try this out.
Or when are we gonna try out our planes?
I don't know. Like in a while.
Yeah, when your plane gets together.
Yeah.
My plane's alright.
Yeah.
There we go. Look at that. That's an awesome nuker. I call my plane Skibbity Nuker.
Scary nuker. I bet, bro.
He's not even skibbity, but like, you gotta accept the riz.
Alright, ready?
Wait, oh!
Oh my gosh.
That wasn't just off, bro. And then, wait, let me.
Can you not?
Dang it, man, I missed.
Stop,
I call mine the speedar. Because it's really speedy. Wait, dang it. I feel like you're just gonna bomb me at this point, bro. I call mine the speedar because it's really speedy. How do you shoot
Yo,
that
on.
thing? I swear, the speedar is kind of getting annoying by now. What the? Alright, we're trying this one last time, alright? Speedar. My speedar is too speedy because it's speed.
Yo, bro, watch this.
Oh wait, now I get what it's
Yo,
trying
watch
to do.
this, bro. Watch this. I want to show you something.
I can bomb.
The speedar has been too speedar. Alright, wait. Oh my gosh. I swear. Oh, stop.
Boom shotgun.
Oh. Exactly, that's what I'm trying to say. Oh, where the frick did you
Why
launch
does
that
mine
thing?
look like the Boo Boo Pad?
That's what What the frick is that? What the frick does that mean? Why does mine look like the what does it mean? What that mean?
I will rip this thing apart.
Bro, but why are you saying that? Why does it look like them? Oh my, can I get at least out of my stupid thing, bro?
I freaking lost my thing. Where is it? I lost the goddamn mirror.
Alright.
Goddamn grenade.
Oh god dang! God dang! The speedar is pretty. I like the speedar. The speedar is really speedy. Oh, speedar, you can do this. Wait. Alright, well, the speedar is gonna be done for. What the frick? No, no, the
Yeah,
fans.
where are you?
What the? Oh, these speeders are too speedy. Alright. Well, guys, that was it for the video, but that was sick! Wait,